Tumbled out of bed and I stumbled to the kitchen. Pour myself a cup of ambition and yawn and stretch and try to come to life. Jump in the shower and the blood starts pumping. Out on the streets the traffic starts jumping with folks like me on the job from 9 to 5.
My name's Chris Doogs McDougall, and I'm going to be travelling around the world running amok this year, base jumping and other stuff. I'm Chris McDougall. Oh, that's my name. Hi. I base jump, I skydive, I wingsuit fly, I surf, I skate. I'm going to be traveling. One more time. And I have more fun than anyone else on the planet. This is a day in my life. Righto, time to go jump. Yeah, sick. So I grew up in a poor suburb in Melbourne, Australia, and luckily enough in 1996 I started skydiving, and in 2001 I found Lauterbrunnen in Switzerland and fell in love with the place, and been coming here ever since. And then 3 years ago I moved to sunny Wangen, and that's where I met my wife, and been the happiest man in the world ever since. I feel pretty integrated now. I can almost speak the language. Dan Vicary. And the beautiful thing about this place is that you can skydive, base jump, wingsuit base, paraglide and speedfly all in the one place. So I'm going to Dan Vicary's place now. He's world champion, and we're going to go make a jump. Hey, cuz. Hey brother, good mate, how are you?
Good, good.
But I'll tell you, want to go for a jump?
Sure.
Yeah? Where do you reckon we should go?
Oh, up there, man.
Sweet, let's do it. Cool.
What a day.
Wicked. Yeah. So that's another day at the office for me, and next time I see you, it's going to be in Mexico. Arriba!